Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So a baby and a family was just born and I decided to make her a shadow box. And these are the ones I got. It's an 8x10, so this is what we're going to be using. I want it to be sideways like this though, so that's what we're going to do. And here's the three. Here I'm on Cricut Design Space and I have opened a new page. I'm going to be uploading my flower design here. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. The first time I tried to do this, I wanted to fit as many flowers as I could in a sheet of paper. So I made them really small and they came out super tiny. And I also did them very, very tight, which you're not supposed to do. So lesson learned, don't make them that tiny. These were 4 inches, I think. So this time I'm gonna make these 5 inches, like that. And when I go over to make it, I'm gonna add a second flower. Make sure to turn this into an 8x11 letter because that's the size of my paper, and you can see here we can fit 2 flowers. Okay, and during that sale I also picked up this cardstock right here. It was $2.50, which is crazy. I regret only getting this one. We're gonna start with the light color. And this is what we should have. Okay, so here I'm just gonna be taking one of my flowers and with a tweezer, I'm just gonna start wrapping it around. Okay, so this is what we should have, and I'm just gonna let it go so it can relax. And we can see here, it's a beautiful flower. See the difference? I made just a line across so we can grab all the petals. And then I'm just gonna squeeze it with my finger, make sure to be careful not to burn yourself. But here we are, our first complete flower. I saw someone using a power drill tool, I don't know what this is, sorry. But one of these to like wrap their flowers in it, and I used the bobby pin here so I could put the end, so you could grab the end for me. But let's try it. Okay, so I'm gonna let it go to see if it relaxes a little bit, and it gets a little hard towards the end, so you kind of have to continue wrapping it by yourself, but I would say it's pretty good. And I feel like it was a lot faster than just wrapping it with your tweezer. So before you glue them, make sure you compare the sizes so you can get your flowers as close to each other as possible. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a couple more flowers and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here I did 16 flowers, all nice and done. And I took apart my shadow box and this is what it looks like inside. It has the glass, this thing right here. And then I decided to use some wrapping paper. This is really glittery wrapping paper as my background. But you could use just white sheet or whatever you like. And then this is the back piece of it. So I'm just gonna lay this flat here. And I'm taking the insert from the shadow box so I can know where to put my flowers. And now I'm just gonna start placing them where I think they would look better. Okay, so this is kind of what I was going for, just very glittery but pretty. And I got these butterflies from Shein. I think they were only like $2. They're like wall decor, but I thought they'd be really pretty for a project, and this is what I'm gonna use them for. So I just used my spatula and bent it a little bit so they can be more 3D-ish. And this is what they look like. I'm gonna put this one up here somehow. And then this one will go on the bottom. This one's bigger though. Something like this. And then that way the name will go right in the middle right here. So here I'm just going to be gluing down every flower one by one with my hot glue gun. Here we are on Cricut Design Space, and this is what it is here. If you don't know how, all you do is just go to the text button on the side, and you can type whatever name you want. And this is what I'm going to be printing out. There we go. And now that I have my name, I can see how it's going to look. This looks so pretty. This is probably what it's going to be. So here I have my frame and then the glasses inside. I'm just going to be putting it all together now. Putting the insert. Just let it lay flat. It's going to fall into place on its own. Make sure you don't crush any of the petals. Okay, and this is what we're working with right now. Now I'm just going to be taking her name and placing it right on top. So here's the finished product. I hope you guys like it. I really love it. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more short videos and pictures of my work. Thank you.